Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to iGET Smart L203. First of all, go into Play Store on both devices and download an app called Send Anywhere. Now open it. Click I accept, choose confirm, continue and allow. Then repeat all of those actions on iGET Smart. Now you need to go with receive on tablet and send on an Android. After that, tap on all of those dots and choose send to send all of your files. It will take some time though, so for example, I will only select one photo, like that one. Click send and stuff got it. From here you have two ways to connect. You can input password or scan QR code. If you want to scan the code, tap on the scanning icon on iGET Smart over here. Choose allow and point your device's camera at the code. But I will just type this code over here real quick. And choose receive. As you can see, my photo was successfully transferred, but if you want to check it out for sure, you can always go into Files app, click on Browse in the middle, then click on, in my case, Images and tap on Send Anywhere section. As you can see, my photo is over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!